Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is one of our village madrasa, old madrasa. I used to lead Taraweeh here 13-14 years ago. العلوم حدیقہ العلوم الدینیہ مفتی قیصر زمان صاحب, mashallah, he's a good alim and he have Pacific by his tafsir, mashallah. That's his madrasa. No students here. It's on holidays, exam finish. Mashallah, when we read there, nothing there, only the one hole, mashallah. But now look at the masjid, beautiful masjid and madrasa. This is Isha time now, we're waiting for namaz, so I thought I'd just explain to you. That's the outside of masjid, mashallah. It's a big masjid. Look at the moon, mashallah, beautiful. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept Mufti Sahib's efforts here. Every year, mashallah, is routine. He done tafsir al-Quran, especially in Ramadan. Loads of students here, mashallah. I done it myself twice, tafsir al-Quran with Mufti Qaisar Zaman Sahib. Loads of students here from Dir, Swat, Shabqadr, from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Loads of students. They all on holidays. As I said before, they on holidays because the exam finish. And mashallah, it's a beautiful masjid. Loads of Nuraniyat in here. Mashallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept Mufti Sahib's efforts in this village. Mufti Qaisar Zaman Sahib, the pious person, mashallah. Bismillah.